Hello to everyone. Hope you have a good day. This is Strictly Software. Today in this video we are going to speak about the basics of HTML. Let's get started. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the most basic building block of the web. It is the standard markup language which it can be saved as a documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. It can be assisted by technologies such as cascading style sheets and scripting languages such as JavaScript. Web browsers receive HTML documents from a web server or from local storage and render the documents into multimedia web pages. Coding for the HTML is mostly done on Notepad. To open Notepad, right-click on the screen, select New, click Text Document. I have already typed the basic steps, which is showed here. The most common step in HTML is the commands are opened and closed with the corresponding bracket. An HTML tag is a snippet of code that tells your web browser what the code is. Doctype HTML is the first line of code required in every HTML or XHTML document. It is an instruction to the web browser about what version of HTML the page is written in. The HTML tag represents the root of an HTML document. HTML tag is container for all other HTML elements, except for the doctype tag. The head tag in HTML is used to define the head portion of the document which contains information related to the document. The head tag contains other head elements such as title, meta, link, style link, etc. The title tag in HTML is used to define the title of HTML document. It sets the title in the browser toolbar. It provides the title for the web page when it is added to favorites. It displays the title for the page in search engine results. The body tag contains a web page's content. This element contains all the contents of an HTML document, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. If you omit body tag, the page will be empty. H1 is a type of heading tag. HTML has 6 different heading tags. H1, H2, and so on. The H1 is considered the most important tag, and the H6 is the least important. The tags are often formatted from most important to least important. H1s are usually the most visually notable content on the page. Use only one H1. Your H1 should describe the topic of your page. HTML P tag. The P tag defines a paragraph of text. It is a block-level element and always starts on a new line. Before and after each paragraph, browsers add margin automatically. You can modify the margins using the CSS margin property. The HTML file is saved by left-click on File. Select Save As. Save the file with .html extension. Now you can see the file appeared on the home screen directory. Open its CR file. Tab contains text present in the title tag. Now you can see the heading is comparatively larger in size than the paragraph. The URL of this page is the directory of the saved HTML file location. Thank you, students.